Good morning. I'm going to show you how to use Humbrol Clearfix. This is the Humbrol Clearfix. It's a sort of transparent liquid and it's meant to stick your clear parts onto your, like in this case, aircraft windows. So basically, you take the toothpick, put the item, get the glue, the Clearfix glue, and stick it around the area where you want to put your clear part. And then you just apply it into the slot. Make sure you position it properly, and when it dries, it just clears everything up, so it looks as if it's stuck on and it doesn't have the messy marks of going fogging from super glue or some of the what's it called traditional glues that leave some marks on your clear parts. Thank you. And once the clear fix has dried, you should have no marks where it's glued on.